the human intestine, health, diseases, and remedies. Welcome back to Natural Remedies, Diseases and Herbal Medicines. Today, we're diving into a fascinating yet crucial part of the human body, the intestine. Let's get started. We'll explore its function, common diseases that can affect it, conventional treatments, and some herbal remedies. Section 1. Overview of the human intestine. The human intestine is a vital organ involved in digestion. It consists of two main parts, the small intestine and the large intestine. The small intestine, about 20 feet long, absorbs nutrients from food. The large intestine, around 5 feet long, absorbs water and forms waste. Together, they play a crucial role in our digestive health. Section 2. Common diseases of the intestine. Several diseases can affect the intestine. Here are some of the most common. Irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. Symptoms include bloating, gas, and abdominal pain. Affects 10 to 15% of the population. Inflammatory bowel disease, IBD. Includes Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis, causing inflammation and damage to the intestine. Celiac disease. An autoimmune condition where gluten intake damages the small intestine. Diverticulitis, inflammation of pouches, diverticula, that can form in the wall of the colon, leading to pain and changes in bowel habits. Colon cancer. Symptoms include changes in bowel movements, blood in stool, and unexplained weight loss. Regular screening is crucial for prevention. Section 3. Common treatments. Treatment for intestinal diseases varies depending on the condition. Two. Medication. Antispasmodics for IBS, anti-inflammatories for IBD, and gluten-free diets for celiac disease. 3. Dietary changes. High-fiber diets for diverticulitis, elimination diets for food intolerances, and probiotics for gut health. 4. Surgery, sometimes necessary for severe cases of IBD or colon cancer. 5. Section 4. Herbal remedies. While medical treatment is essential, some herbal remedies may support intestinal health. 2. Peppermint. Known to relieve IBS symptoms by relaxing the intestinal muscles. 3. Ginger. Aids digestion and reduces nausea. 4. Turmeric. Contains curcumin, which has anti-inflammatory properties beneficial for IBD. 5. Chamomile. Can soothe inflammation and promote relaxation. 6. Psyllium husk. A natural fiber supplement that can help regulate bowel movements. Conclusion. To conclude, maintaining intestinal health is essential for overall well-being. If you experience symptoms of intestinal diseases, consult with a healthcare professional for appropriate treatment. Herbal remedies can complement traditional care, but always do so under guidance. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel. Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content like this. And don't forget to hit that bell icon so you're notified whenever I post something new. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so leave a comment below and let me know what you think or if you have any suggestions for future videos.